Heritage Bank people don't come outside though. They beg one senator say, this senator they owe them money. Senator, Nigerian senator, since when una start to the old gbese? I never hear this thing for my life reach. Now today, now they hear this kind of one. They talk say this Heritage Bank is there for Abuja, na Abuja branch, and this one happen. And this senator, where they talk about, make I not talk too much. They say this senator name na Andy Ubah. Shebi ona know Amabi. They say this man ain't go borrow money. This man will be Anambra person. They say they elect this man for Anambra South Senatorial District. And then they for elect this senator. And as he be like, they say this man don't they owe them money. No be today. He don't they owe them money since for how many years? Senator? I shock. This your own. It shocked me because I never hear say senator they owe person money, but as the matter be, then these heritage people now they don't come outside. They vex. They say be an a protest so be an a meeting. They don't come outside. Go this man house say make this man give them the money. My people are beg. Make now watch this video.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 21st day of June 2021, and we'll have here the staff of Heritage Bank PLC Abuja. We are in front of Senator Andy Ubah's house in Abuja. Senator Andy Ubah has been owing the bank for a couple of years now, and we are here for a peaceful meeting with him, very peaceful meeting, to ask him to kindly repay those loans because those are depositors' funds, and those monies, if they are not repaid, we throw the number of people you see here with their families out of work, and we know the situation of the economy now. So if this number of people are thrown out of work, you know what it means. So we're here to appeal to him, to the distinguished senator, to kindly pay this money so that these people will not lose their job, and of course the bank becomes a going concern.
Una don't see for una self abi. Una don't hear wetin these people they talk. Say if this man no gree pay this money, all of them go dey out of jobs. I beg senator, where you go hide put for? And I think say they pay senator big money. How come this kind senator na broke senator? Oga, you no get money, now you go dey borrow loan. You go borrow loan, all the money where they pay you, I beg, wetin they use and do? And they say, all this kind senators, I know they understand wetin they even happen. Because this one now, I come they wonder. I don't know say senator no even get money rich like this. I think say they pay them big money. But see, these people they beg you. Say if you don't pay this money, they go pursue them come out from job. But I can't they wonder Heritage Bank now so na mumu rich. I think say bank na they get lawyers. Which one come be this protest? All of na go stand for. In fact, na even they fine, na look fine. Because people when they protest, na go there. This one na still they do shakara, they walk up and down say na they protest. Or na go find na lawyers. Make the lawyers go meet these people, tell us, okay, oh God, your time don't due for this money. Pay this money. Because this one all of now go stand there now like say sardine na be. I don't understand though how the money won't take come aside. And this thing, in fact, now God even catch on. Or now no say as this man, because now say a rich person. Now he make us go there say he won't go collect loan. Sharp, they don't run sign paper. Give and say, okay, carry the loan and go. Now, money can't reach time reach now. And I know say na money collect na when they shout. If say na poor person go this bank, say I beg bank. In fact, just borrow me 50k. You go sign all the paper where they this world. If you not sign 50 paper, in fact, you no go come out from that place. You go sign and sign. Bring next of kin wey be say no even get money, you go still add up inside. But as they see say na rich person, they don't look and say, him go pay. Now make they give am this money. Now they come outside, they cry, say, make the man pay them their money. When they see, I beg, what can happen to the collateral? I think say if person borrow money, you go drop something as collateral down. Because this one, the way when they run their own bank, I never can understand. This one not even become be a power bank. This one not be normal bank again, a power bank now na be. Because I think say all these kind of things they in place. As the man no see the money collect pay, or I go carry in property, be the thing when drop down as collateral. Now I can't come outside, they do all this kind of thing. And they threaten staffs. Now that one they even pepper me, they vex me. What are they threatening these staffs for? What they consign them? Should be the manager self sit down there when they sign all this. One I no go meet managers. Okay, organ manager, we want sack you, abi na you want threaten. One I can't they threaten innocent people where they work their work. And I can't leave them say, if I say that they self and I no get work to do. For all of them to pack on ourselves, saying that they go stand for person house. Saying I won't go they protest. The person may not even they inside Nigeria. If you don't even travel before na go stand there like wetin I no know say na dey protest. It means everybody na fake life we dey live o. This life no even balance at all. If senator fit dey owe person money, how much me? That means I fit owe person money and nothing go happen. If senator fit owe a whole bank, a whole senator, if you owe them money, and then this life and nothing there, everybody they just they manage, just they carry packaging, they hope. Nothing there, no money. My people, this and they see this whole thing where this man they do a strategy for 2023. So that he go contact say, on I don't say he no spend on money, he go borrow money from bank. Men I say he no touch any of na money, na bank money he go borrow. He no get money. When they see all these kind of people, me they see and say, now what in this man they try to be that? Now what are the reason? Because me I know say senators they get money. When they see their motors now today they don't travel. In fact, for one meeting where senator go sit down, and I know how much they pay them better money. So I don't know how much. In fact, how much this man borrow from this bank? Could be say to make this man, this bank sack all their staff. Say, may they go stand for that front, go to protest. If you may say this kind of money, na big money, but CB, Oga Senator, Oga Andy Ubah, I beg wherever you dey, pay these people their money. May they no come they threaten people will be say, I know say the country don't already dey hard. If they sack all these kind of people now because of money where another person commit, another person borrow, and they give another person sin now to another person, what's it concern them the people? I beg, Mr. Man, I beg, pay this money, make them free them this staff, make them this staff do on their own, do their work. Not be about this one we say, and I will go hide and I go they live large life on the low. Come outside, come they threaten other people life. I beg, pay this money, I beg for them. Make themselves live, make they live restful life. Because it be like this, their life self they at risk. Because if you don't pay, they go pursue them. And if they pursue them in the house, they will go they stay. And all this one, they go use and blame you, say, now you be the cause. So I beg, try pay this money. Now this one I hear, I want to make a bring and come, make myself use na here waiting this senator do. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.